Keep missing those headshots because of high ping and packet loss? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix packet loss and high ping issues in PUBG Battlegrounds on your PC. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1. Test your internet speed and latency. To do this, visit speedtest.net with a browser of your choice. After the website loads, click on Go. Now, the website will test your internet speed and give you all the information about your upload speed, download speed, and of course, latency or ping. If the ping is too high, restart your router and disconnect other devices from the network. After that, check again using the same website. If the ping is still too high, contact your internet service provider and ask them for help. Solution 2. Reset network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset, then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig /flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig /release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig /renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh int ip reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router, and then check if the high ping issue is fixed. Solution 3. Use an optimized DNS server. For this, open Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then, click on Ethernet. Next, click on the Edit button next to DNS server assignment. Now select Manual. After that, turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now, on the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS. Here type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8 as your preferred DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save and you're done. Now you should be able to play PUBG Battlegrounds with really low ping. So guys, that's how you fix packet loss and high ping issues in PUBG Battlegrounds on your PC. If the video helped you out with the issue, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching!